In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert image to custom shape and outline in Canva. So first open up Canva and drag your image onto your canvas, then select your image, then click on the background remover button in the top toolbar to remove any unnecessary background and effects added on your image. The next is select edit, then in the left menu, navigate to Filters, click See All, then scroll to the Duotones section and select Custom. So here, select your desired color and make sure that both highlights and shadows match so you can copy the hex code so that the color matches together. Now to convert this to an outline, select the image once again, then press Edit. Then once again navigate the duotone filters and this time set custom highlights to white and the shadows to white. Then next is head over to shadows and set it to glow. Then open up the glow settings and set the blur into 0, increase the size, and pick your desired outline color. This creates a clean border around your shaped image. You can adjust the thickness and color until it looks just right. And that's it. So thank you for watching and see you again on the next one.